few years ago, I just was physically active because I like to be competitive and just to play with my kids. But I started losing family to health-related issues. So my husband and I decided that being more active and eating healthy was a better choice for us so that we could have a better quality life and to be able to stay around longer for our own kids. We have always pushed our children to be active and be competitive and to always give their best. And it's always been important to me and my husband, if we're expecting that out of them, then we better do the same thing. So if we're telling them, you're going to school to play basketball, you need to stay in shape, well, we try to get out there and do the same thing so that they don't feel alone and that we're setting the example.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews and Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwaru JB, talk. Torigun.
Today we're making bean and veggie salad. For this recipe you will need 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans, rinsed and drained, 1 15-ounce can of black beans, rinsed and drained, 1 15-ounce can of corn, rinsed and drained, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, drained, half a cup of red onion, diced, 1 cup bell pepper, chopped, 1/4 cup of jalapeno, seeded and diced, this is optional, 1/4 cup fat-free Italian dressing, and black pepper to taste. This is optional. In a large bowl, add the beans, corn, tomato, onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno if using. The Otoe word for beans is unyi. Beans are one of the earliest cultivated plants. Beans provided protein, minerals, B vitamins, and fiber to the Native American diet. Along with corn and squash, beans are commonly referred to as the Three Sisters. Each is planted at a certain time and near each other to build on one another for best growth. Next, add dressing and toss to combine. Change it up. Other types of beans could be used. Try pinto, Great Northern, or green beans. More vegetables could be added, like black-eyed peas, green peas, hominy, cucumber, squash, or zucchini. Any type of onion could be used. Swap red onion for green, yellow, or white. A different low or fat-free vinaigrette could be used for the dressing. Cover and chill for 1 hour before serving. This recipe makes 14 servings. 1 serving is half a cup. Enjoy!